Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can find someone's Instagram account by photo. So finding someone's Instagram account by photo isn't a built-in features on Instagram, but there are a few methods that you can try and also tools to do it. First, you can do the Google reverse image search, and it is best for photos you already have, save or screenshot. So what you need to do is just go to the Google Images here. You can go to Google. I'm going to just open Chrome and find Google Images. Sorry, this one's right here, images.google.com, and then you can just tap on this camera icon and upload the photo or paste the image URL if you have one. So in here, I'm going to just upload a photo, this one for example, and then you can just look through the results for any Instagram links or similar images. You can scroll down. You can see there will be this Instagram icon that you can click if you want to find the account. You can also use TinEye, finding where an image has appeared online. So you can just go to this page, tineye.com. Let's close this first. And then you can again upload the photo or paste the image link. Here I'm going to just upload the image from my library, this one. Click on select. So once the image is uploaded, it will shows websites that have used that image, sometimes Instagram profiles. There's also paid options. You can use social catfish, but this is more serious for more serious investigation. So you can just visit the socialcatfish.com, upload the image and run a search. It may find social media profiles including Instagram. But you need to know that the private accounts won't show up in image search results, and you need to always respect others' privacy and don't use these methods for stalking or violating someone's rights. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.